guys, coming at you with another easy recipe. Alright, we're going to do chicken Parmesan today. Of course, to start the show, 2 chicken breasts. I pounded those out and seasoned them, salt, pepper, little Italian seasoning. That's all you'll need to do. We're going to need some tomato sauce. We're going to make a marinara for this. We're going to need onion powder, oregano, garlic powder, Parmesan cheese, of course, chicken Parmesan, 1 small diced onion, garlic, minced garlic, basil. Going to need a tablespoon of sugar, teaspoon each of salt and pepper, and we're going to need some egg wash. That's just eggs. I did 4 eggs and some milk, some extra virgin olive oil, flour for our dredging, and breadcrumbs. I made those breadcrumbs from scratch, guys. Once you've made breadcrumbs from scratch, you'll never buy it at the store again. It's not worth it. Alright, that's what you'll need. I'll see you at the stove. Alright guys, we're going to do a little dredge on our chicken. So we're going to take your chicken breast and you're going to dump it in your egg wash. Get that all wet in there. Alright. Then you're going to take it and put it in your flour. Make sure it gets all coated. Alright, just like that. We're going to dump it back in our egg wash. Let's do this. Then we're going to put it in our breadcrumbs. Make sure everything is coated. Now how I make my breadcrumbs is I just toast up some bread. Always keep some bread around, stale bread. Throw it in the refrigerator. Slice it into thin slices. Let me coat that a little bit more. Thin slices, throw it in the toaster oven. Put it on 400. Make sure you watch it. And as soon as it gets hard and brown, then you want to take it out. Once you take it out, throw it in the blender, chop it up real fine, add some seasonings to it, and you're all set. Just that easy. And it should be only but a few ingredients in breadcrumbs, but when you go to the grocery store and buy breadcrumbs, if you look at the ingredients, it's just way too many ingredients on there. Alright. So dunk it in the egg wash into your flour. Make sure everything is coated. I also season my my flour just with a little salt and pepper. That. We're going to take this, put this back over here, dump it back in the egg wash. Make sure it's completely wet. And into your breadcrumbs. Just that simple. You know, this is a good way to make chicken cutlets, chicken fingers. Today we're going to do Parmesan, but basically that is it for this stage of the recipe. We're going to lightly fry it, pan fry it in some olive oil. You see these are real thin. It doesn't take chicken very long to cook once they're in thin pieces. It's 2 breasts, but I pound them out. Pounded them out to make them thinner. There you go. Also guys, do not forget to subscribe. Again, I'm bringing you recipes 3 times a week. And hit that notification button. And alright guys, let's get that chicken going. Again, it's only going to take a few minutes to cook. We're going to put some olive oil in the bottom of the pan. Just fill the bottom of the pan. That's about it. You don't have to deep fry this at all. That's not what we're doing here. Again, this is not going to take very long to cook. Alright, here we go. So I got it on about a number 7 on my stove, which is a medium high. And I think it's ready. I trimmed my pieces of chicken because they were a little oddly shaped. This. And we're just going to throw them right in. Alright, we're going to let that cook. About 4 to 5 minutes on each side. Again, we are going to finish this off in the oven, so it does not have to cook all the way through. But as thin as these are, they will cook all the way through. Again, we don't have to deep fry these. A bit of olive oil, good fat in the bottom of your pan, and that's all you need. I'm going to come back when I flip these over. Okay, let's get started with our, you see our chicken breast is done. Let's get started with our marinara sauce. So I got a saucepan here with a little olive oil in it. We're just going to dice up our, we're going to throw in some onions and garlic. Whole onion. And put a little garlic in here. Sweat. This is a quick marinara sauce. We're not going to drench the chicken in the sauce here. We're just going to top it. So once those gets translucent, then we'll throw in our tomato sauce and our seasonings. About two minutes tops. Add a little salt and pepper, a teaspoon of each. Okay, we sweated our onions down, so go ahead and add your tomato sauce. to cut the acid down, we're going to do a teaspoon of sugar. We're going to do some basil. Just take sprigs of basil and toss it in there. And we're going to do about a teaspoon of onion powder, a teaspoon of garlic powder, and some oregano leaves. Another teaspoon. And that's it for our quick marinara sauce. Turn it down. Smells good. Smells amazing. Again, this is, I do my recipes for 1 to 2 people. Again, if you're going to be making more, just double up on your, on the ingredients. And I'm going to turn this down and let it simmer so everything gets melted in there. And I'll see you in a few minutes. Okay, we're back. So our marinara sauce is done. We got our chicken on our iron grill, and we're just going to spoon some of this marinara sauce over. And we're going to throw it in the oven. Finish it off. Finish it off with some Parmesan cheese. And there we go, guys. I'll see you at the table. All right, here's the finished product. Doesn't that look amazing? All right, we're gonna have to give this a try before we bring this video to an end. Tender. Some people like to put a whole bunch of cheese on their chicken Parmesan. Not me. Just some grated Parmesan cheese so you can taste everything else. The sauce, the chicken, all that. Amazing. I'll probably fix some greens with this I had from the other day and some mashed potatoes. This is awesome. Give this recipe a try. Alright guys, I'm going to leave you with the 4 agreements. Be impeccable with your word. Don't judge, not even yourself. Don't assume anything. Seek for a clear understanding. And most importantly, do the best that you can do in this life. Thanks. Have a good one.